Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Two Moms Plus 3 TV. And today I have for you guys a mukbang. And this was inspired by so many people. I've seen so many people. The very first person who I saw do this was Wendy's eating show, and sorry for that motorcycle, but the first person I saw doing this was the Wendy's eating show, and I was just like, you know what? It looks so good, you guys. So that's what we have today. So I have 6 corn on the cobs right here. And I got some hot Cheetos. I got the crushed hot Cheetos in my pan. And I have my rice. Now this is just an, sorry about that. This is just an added bonus because I love, love, love rice. And I like to have rice with pretty much all of my meals. We're also going to have story time today, which I don't usually do. And the bonnet is making a comeback. So, well, in this channel for a while. Because I'm just having some issues going on with my hair right now. And my bonnet is the best thing for me right now. I think I'm going to make a channel all about my bonnet, okay? So anyways, I have some water. I have some mayo. Can you close that door? I have some mayo so my Cheetos can stick to my corn on the cob. So let's get eating, okay? So I never thought to put this as a mukbang show or nothing like that. And I used to, if you guys know what I'm talking about, comment down below. Just light it up down below. I used to live downtown LA, and most of my neighbors were Hispanic. That's what you see in downtown LA, mainly. I was in more like the Spanish community, and oh my God, you guys, like I literally gained so much weight living downtown LA, especially like with the neighbors that I had there, and my friends that I had there who were, guess what? All Hispanic. I love my Mexican people, y'all. They are just so warm, welcoming, so comforting, and they're just all dope, you know? So when I used to live downtown, you can see corn everywhere. Elotes, okay? You can see them pretty much on every street corner. You can see them, sorry. I need some rice. Yeah. But you can see them pretty much on every street corner. You can see them pretty much doing pretty much. They sell everything from hot dogs to tamales to y'all know those little meat pocket things. I forgot what they're called. Tacos, burritos. They sell everything. Chapurrado, menudo. Those are on Sundays, okay? You usually get when my girls used to go to school in the morning, we always got tamales and chapurrado because that's what they sold out of the little chunks of their car and stuff like that, which was amazing. I didn't complain. I didn't care where it came from. It was so good. So we used to get it every day, literally. Like, I felt like I was going broke. I literally felt like I was going broke living downtown, because I don't forget a hamburger joint, forget a pizza place. You can get authentic food from the corner of a little cart, you know? And they make their money, you know? I mean, I'm not knocking them, but had the most amazing food, and corn was one of them. And I always wonder, like, what would it be like to put, like, hot Cheetos on their corn and things like that. They don't do stuff like that. I don't know about now, but because I've been living in Vegas for about 5 years. So, let's dig into the first corn. Oh, that's super hot. Mmm. 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 This is something good, y'all. Mmm. If you see me looking funny while eating this, is because I have extremely sensitive teeth, and it's hot. I used 2 bags of hot Cheeto Puffs for this. I haven't tried it with Takis. If you guys will recommend me to try it with Takis, or maybe some extra hots or some Funyuns or stuff like that, comment down below. I'll give that a try next. But that's so hot. And I have 6 corns in this bowl. And then my next favorite food would be, you guessed it, rice. And not just any rice. I like jasmine rice, because it is the smell of it, the fragrance of it. I have some stuck in my teeth. But the smell of it, just the way it looks, like, you can't go wrong, like, with jasmine rice. Please forgive me. I have nails on today, so pretty much harder to eat this. And let me stop fronting, because I don't usually eat it with chopsticks. Let me show you how I actually eat it. Sometimes when I'm not on camera, or sometimes when I am on camera, this is how it usually goes, okay? I'll take a Cheeto like this, and then I'll just grab up some rice, kind of like this, and or take the Cheeto that way. And I'll take some rice with the Cheeto. Mmm. Mmm. That's pretty much usually how I eat it. And it's so good. If you never tried this, try it. And when you cook your jasmine rice, add a little butter and salt. These hot Cheeto puffs, you'll see what I'm talking about. Mmm. Mmm. Is that the door? Mm. It's so good. Mmm. Like, I can just eat corn on the cob plain as well, but it doesn't do it any satisfaction like this. Mmm. 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 But finishing my story, I got kind of sidetracked with this corn. But yeah, so while living downtown LA, like I said, going broke, my favorite thing kind of was the corn and the ice cream trucks. Out here in Vegas, there are no ice cream trucks roll down your street, especially where we live. No ice cream trucks roll down the street.
There's only one that's down the street, but in the apartment there's two ones to get that house, and then that's the only ice cream truck that rolls down.
But what was I gonna say? Yeah, so no ice cream truck rolls down the street, and that's another thing that I miss, because you can get all kind of treats at an ice cream truck for convenience. It's like the store comes to you. Except they don't sell anything but ice cream, chips, and candy, and like little toys. Sometimes nachos, chili cheese Fritos. If y'all used to get chili cheese Fritos from the ice cream truck growing up, comment down below. You get a chili cheese Frito, probably with an ice cream that you put in the freezer, and with a soda.
Dead cheese.
And then that is pretty much a good night after that. I love messy foods like this. It's so good. Messy foods make it even better. Even though it's messier.
I got the chills.
Mmm.
You got the chills, Mama D?
And then I have all of these to go. Which, I have so much room in my belly right now.
Did you eat breakfast or lunch?
It's my first and last meal of the day.
Did you eat lunch and breakfast?
As a mukbanger, when you're eating wrong food, you don't really want to eat all day and then come and do a mukbang video. Well, to each its own, but I don't. I'm large enough, you know.
Shh.
Some rice. There's so much Cheeto crumbs all on here. So, I gotta keep checking my time.
Oh, come on.
Because
I'm gonna close the back door.
one, I don't want to waste all y'all time. Two, my phone doesn't hold a lot of storage. So. It's so good. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next for us. And subscribe to our channel if you're not already subscribed. If you are a subscriber, thank you for watching. And for all you new people who are watching, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.